Welcome to Science for You. Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make snow at home very easily, for this Christmas. We need just two ingredients for this, sodium polyacrylate and plain water. I will be coming up with new interesting projects every week, so please do subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss them. Thank you. Now let us go straight into the video. Take some sodium polyacrylate and add plain water to it. Sodium polyacrylate is a chemical compound which can absorb even 300 times its own weight of water. Add sufficient water and mix well to get the consistency of snow. The artificial snow is ready. Now you can keep the Santa, reindeer, snowman and other objects on this snow. Hope you liked the experiment. Happy Christmas everyone. See you next week with another interesting video. If you have liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to watch more interesting experiment and DIY projects in future. Thank you.